Hey, hi, this is Abhilash. I am here to discuss about my assignment 3. I see the question is like convert task 1, 2 and 3 into functions from previous exercise, and also I need to pass x and y to the function. The second one is surface area to sphere, so convert into function and pass any value of radius to display area of sphere. So right now first what I did is like I took the surface area defining surface area into radius, and the pi value is 3.14. P is nothing but the pi, and area I have took 4 into pi value into radius into 2. So here I am passing like r is equal to radius. R is nothing but radius, and radius is equal to float, and input I am entering the radius to calculate the area. So in order to get the output, so I am just splitting the surface area into r. So surface here you can see like surface area into radius, and this area into radius we are taking in this, then we are entering the input, and we got the output as 50.24. so this is what I have did, and what I did mainly is like made a function named surface area passing radius as parameter here, and considering value of pi which is calculating area using formula of area and returning that value of area and printing it. So taking input of radius into float, as it can be a float value. So I am entering like print surface as enter radius into calculate area into 2. So it is 50.24, and the other assignment is like I am taking as a definition like netted list A into B, like A comma B, and parent list is equal to 0. Here A is nothing but for I in range B. So returning the parent list here. So here what I am doing is made a function and passing value of x and y where saved by taking integer. So x is equal to input enter x value, and y is equal to integer input enter y value. So if x greater than 5 or y greater than 5, we need to print error greater than 5. So else what I do is like if values exceeded than 5, it will print an error message, otherwise calling function of name nested list. So here I am printing the netted list x into y. So then my next task is like I have to pass the list in a new function where j is equal to x and I is equal to y to understand printing and traversing. For I in and range length a, I am taking length a. For j in range length a into I. So x is equal to j plus I and y is equal to I plus I. If x percent y equal to 0, a into I into j equal to 1. So whereas else it is taking as like a into I into j equal to 0, then it will return a value. So your new list is equal to netted list x into y. So traverse list is equal to new mod list new list. So here we will be getting the new list. So what we are doing is like the new function checking and returning the modified list of checking if mod is 0 and save 1 at the index, otherwise it will be the 0. So here print new list is equal to traversed list. So task 3 is defining like 1 find 1 into a. For I in range length a, for j in range length into ai. Value is a into I. If value equal to 1, then it print index I into j. So find one traversed list. So here you can enter like the input I entered like x value as 2 and y value as 2, then you will be getting the output as like netted list 0, 0, 0 and 1, 1, 0, 1, and index is 0, 0 and index 0, 1 and index 1, 1. So this is what my assignment have prepared. Thank you. Let me know if you have any questions.